Fuck that shit. OGG. It's OG Mac. Hey. Popular opinion pit me up against the legends that we had. You ain't dad, just an old ass nigga. I don't wanna lose control ass nigga. While we rollin', smoking, buying extra liquor. Got my vigor, rigor mortis in your motion, my nigga. I came to change lives, really all jokes aside. Just him standing as a line as I stroll by. Made the rivers run red, all on roll tide. Racist crackers beat my daddy, tried to take his eye. And now we thinking fuck him cause his son stunting every night. Went from driving buggy to drivers after flight. And life is so amazing. Made me write this when I'm tired. But if this is my exhausted, how the fuck they gon' survive? The survival of the fittest and they sweating too much. It's a bunch of extra filler, feel they flexing too much. 1,008 grams of that Mexican dust, my equivalent. Homes I'm long gone like a Voyager celestial. No clientele, nor scale where you working, homes. Niggas ain't busting blackjacks where they busting domes. I'ma let them breathe for a second. Lie less to see for the check-in. Fly till your wings get clipped. Young Ick, you are looking at the sun and getting blinded by the brilliance. We just looking at these sums and trying to turn them into billions. Every nigga in my village used to pillage for the profit, meaning y'all cannot stop us. Rise so fast, I'm thinking y'all cannot clock us. Calvin Johnson, Devin Hester, nigga y'all cannot block us. Blocker, blocker, blocker goes the sound of the chopper. In LA eating grilled Maine lobster.